If you have lower back pain or you feel stiff and tight within your pelvis, I'm going to take you through a few exercises. It's going to take a few minutes out of your day, and it's really going to help strengthen and reset your SI joint. The first exercise we're going to do is some pelvic tilts. So we're going to just go back and forth with the pelvis. So imagine that your pelvis is a cup or a bowl of water. So we want to imagine that we're tipping the water out the front and then we're tipping the water out the back. So we're not leaning back and leaning forward. It's with the pelvis. And we're going to do this laying down and push the pelvis down and push the pelvis back down. So you'll have a little bit of an arch in the lower back, and then push your lower back into the floor. And to make this harder, we can pop a yoga block or something and push down and push up, push down and push up, push down and push up. And we'll do that for about 30 seconds. The second exercise is dead bugs. So we're going to lay and pretend that we're a dead bug, and then with the opposite leg and the opposite arm, we're going to straighten both out, keeping that core engaged. Just laying here like a dead bug. This takes a lot of coordination. Then we're going to flip over for some bird dogs. So as the same as a dead bug, we're going to opposite arm and opposite leg. Squeeze, activate that core, and opposite arm and leg. Straighten them out. "30 seconds to a minute. The next exercise is my ultimate favourite for back pain, a glute bridge. I do lots of different variations of these, but for this one we're just going to bridge up as high as we can and hold. So you can intensify this by popping your feet onto something, but I like to go a little bit further. For my glute bridge hold, I'm going to intensify it by elevating my feet. We're going to hold it for about 30 seconds. Some of these exercises might seem a little bit boring because we're not throwing massive weight about, but they are so effective. I used to have a clicking in my hips, and every time I would go to the toilet or sit down or anything, it would just be there. And I started doing clamshells, and it really helped stop the clicking. So we're going to pop, you can use a weight or you can use a resistance band. And you're going to lay on your side and you're going to clamshell up. So you want to pop the band around the legs and just feet together and lift and hold. Lift the top knee and hold. And then we're going to switch sides. Make sure that we are even, feet together, knees apart, lift and squeeze. Next stretch that we're going to do to end this one is the pretzel stretch. So I don't know why it's called pretzel. It's maybe because you get yourself into a pretzel shape. But we're going to lay on our back, and one leg is going to go over and the other one we're going to pull it in. And then give yourself a little bit of a stretch and hold this. It feels so good. 30 seconds. and then switch sides. So lay on your back, legs go over, and then the underneath one, if you pull your foot up, and we're just going to pretzel like a pretzel. I thought I'd give you a bird's eye view of the pretzel stretch. It's going to go over, then your bottom leg, you're going to pull it up and turn away. Don't forget to breathe.